the word call. To telephone or contact someone by phone. Call someone, make a call, get a call. I need to call my friend to confirm our plans. She had to make a call before the meeting started. He got a call from his manager during lunch to name or refer to someone or something. Call him, call it, be called. They call him the professor because of his wisdom. Let's call it a day and continue tomorrow. This city is called the City of Lights. To request or summon someone. Call for, call in, call on. The situation calls for immediate action. They had to call in a specialist to fix the issue. The teacher called on me to answer the question. To announce or organize something officially. Call a meeting, call an election, call a strike. The manager decided to call a meeting to address the problem. The president called an election for early next year. The workers' union may call a strike if talks fail. To shout or say loudly. Call out, call after, call loudly. She called out his name in the crowd. He called after the dog as it ran away. The coach called loudly to get the players' attention. To judge or interpret in a specific way. Call it right, call it wrong, call it as you see it. The referee called it right when he gave the penalty. Sometimes people call it wrong, and that's okay. You should call it as you see it, even if it's unpopular.